And this space in here is the big space, which is not big.
Very big. Very big. Wow.
So, but I still need to. These are some of the old machines from the farm.
Yeah.
So I need to get rid of this door as well.
Yeah. It's good.
Oh yes, that's great work. The funny thing about a building like this, it's very flexible. So what you do is when you soon again.
Oh. Wow.
So this one, that one is a canoe.
Canoe. Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
こんにちは。
It doesn't say anything yet. It says ja, da.
いや僕たちは日本から来ました。
It's not working yet. Oh, we come from yet. We came from Japan. What? Okay. Okay, please say something more.
僕たちは日本から来て日本で家具を作っています。
We came from Japan and we make furniture in Japan.
今日はここにアンドレアたちに連れてきてもらってとても光栄です。
Today I was brought here by Andrea and her friends, and it's a big honor.
いや。嬉しいね。嬉しい。